95% of Ugandans are not aware of Yoseri Tibuhaburwa Lutabaisirwa Buzaliranwa true nationality. Yoseri Tibuhaburwa Lutabaisirwa Buzaliranwa, better known as Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, is a Tutsi of Rwanda origin. He was born in Gisenyi, a northern province in Rwanda. During the Hutu Revolution in 1959 to 1961, which overthrew the minority Tutsi dominion of Rwanda, Museveni and his mother Esther Kokundeka left Rwanda and entered western Uganda as refugees. They were welcomed and well fed. Museveni's real father, Kayibanda, remained in Rwanda and then settled in Tanzania. After some time, Museveni's mother, Esther Kokundeka, took another Rwandan man, Amos Kaguta, his stepfather. The two made love and got pregnant. The child born was named Kalebu Akandanaho, aka Salimu Saleh, and other siblings. Both parents were actually Rwandan refugees. Because of economic hardships in Rwanda, they decided to stay in Uganda illegally. Uganda was very kind of Mr. Museveni. Uganda educated Museveni. After his school, Museveni decided to turn the barrels of the gun against the Ugandans who fed him and educated him. He shot his way to power through violence. When he took power in 1986, claiming that he was a Ugandan citizen of Ankole origin. He never restored the Ankole kingdom because they refused to recognize him as a Munyankole and support him in the 1980s election. He was also living in fear that Ugandans might find out his true identity, which might sabotage his chances of becoming the president of Uganda, which means he would have not convinced the Baganda and others to join his Bush war struggle. Being born a Rwandese means he does not qualify for the presidency of Uganda. According to the constitution, you must be a born Ugandan to run for the presidency. He continues to be in power illegally and imposing himself on Ugandans. How did Rwandese nationalists hijack and infiltrate the Ugandan government? In 1995, he changed Uganda's constitution to recognize Rwandese as a tribe, Banyarwanda, in Uganda. If you have noticed, Rwandese are disguising and infiltrating the Ugandan government as Banyankole. This has caused serious division between the Bairu, Bahima, and other tribal clans, because now you have the lower class and the upper class undermining one another, which is causing a stereotype and misunderstanding against hardworking Banyankole, thinking that they Banyankole are all rich, lazy, favored and benefiting scholarships, government top position and the army from his government, which is not true, as this has become a common stereotype with the average Ugandan today. If you have been to Uganda, it's a beautiful country blessed with landscapes and nature, but corruption is one thing that can't go unnoticed. Yes, Uganda is being mismanaged in every sector across the country because Mr. Museveni decides to choose family members, nepotism and tribalism and tribal loyalty over competence. In the end result, it has produced a failed state. If any of these people swindle public funds, they would not be brought to account because they are related or have tribal loyalty to Mr. Museveni. His survival to cling on to power depends on tribalism, favoritism, and nepotism. In most cases, these people are incompetent and not qualified for certain key positions. That's why Uganda as a country has poor infrastructure, poor service delivery, poor currency, corruption, and high crime rate. If anyone questions the status quo of our country's affairs, you are immediately accused of being tribal. But hey, that's not the point here. To trace a certain problem affecting a nation or an individual, you investigate and find out the root causes. It's called history. Yoseri Tibuhaburwa Lutabaisirwa Buzaliranwa aka Yoweri Kaguta Museveni is not a Ugandan but Rwandese born nation.